Hi, in this video we are going to see what are the different options available to view the PowerPoint window. So let me open PowerPoint. So as of now, say for example I have this PowerPoint and there is like 12 slides are there, and in this video if you are on home tab, click on the view tab, and in here in this window options we will be having new window, arrange all, cascade, and move, split, and switch window. These are the five options that are there, and we will be covering all this. So first is what is the new window. So sometime when we are working on the multiple slides are there, and if we wanted to compare between any of the slide, like say for example 7th and 11th slide I want to compare. So this, like if something is like side by side, easily we can view that. So for that, what we can do is we will click on the new window. As soon as you click on the window, you will be having this name. Under the name, that column 2 got added. The similar way, if you see the column 1 is there, 1 and 2. So one temporary file got created. It is just a mirror. And now if I click on the view again and click on the arrange all, if you observe, both the slide got both the PPT got arranged side by side. If say for example I want to compare with the 5th slide and then here 11th slide, we can very well do the comparison between, and anything we wanted to modify, we can modify it. So if you observe, we have two slides, PPT 2 and PPT 1. So if I do any changes on the any of the slide, say for example if I on the 12 sheet, if I click on here something like this will be attached to original file, okay, original PPT or 5, anything. If I close this one, it will not ask for the same. See, I have done some modification, but normal cases if I wanted to close it, it should ask, do you want to save, right? But here it will not ask, it will got close. If I maximize it, and if you observe here, the word which I added, right, this will attach to original file, it got added. So it was actually, we were seeing two files, but it was actually a mirror of that. It got temporarily got created. Now next one is arrange all. Say for example if I have two files created, right, or 2 or 3 files are created, or 4 files. So control N, I am pressing control N, I got two files, one file this one and another one this one, right? So if I want to see all these files, so click on view and click on arrange all, you can see that in the case if you have multiple file, like say for example you have 3 files, again I am putting control N, and I, as of now, if you see, I have 3 files available. If I click on the view and arrange all, if you see, all these 3 got added here, arranged, right? Similar way, if I have 4 or 5 files, if I have, based on the space, it will be get arranged. So let me close this one also not required, and let me make it bigger. This next one is cascade. So cascade is like, as of now it was sitting and it was getting arranged between the work, how many spaces, like what are the spaces available, based on that it was getting adjusted. But cascade is, if I have multiple files, say for example I have 4 files, I have just created control and control, I have created 4 files, and now if I click on the any of the tab, click on the view and click on the cascade, so file everything got like it got cascaded, like one after another one. Anything I wanted to say, for example I want to go to this slide or this one, I can click on this, very well I can go ahead. If I wanted to click on this one, I can go on. The names of file is visible to me, and any of them we can click. If I click on this, I can go on that file. So this is the use of cascade. So just simply, if you have multiple files you have open and you wanted to see all of them, click on the cascade, sorry, I click on the arrange all, you have to click on the cascade and it will be go. Another one is a move, split. So in normal like slide, right, we have 3 portion. One is this one where we have the slide sorter, and then workspace where we are working, and another one is the move split. So if I click on this move split, just a minute, click on move split, and if you observe, if I'm moving my right side arrow, if I click on my right side arrow, it is getting the size of sorter getting increased, and if I click on the left side arrow, it is getting reduced. If I click on upside, that click on node window, right, node window, it's getting a little bit bigger, and this slide, right, slide is getting, this one, the slide is getting decrease. If I again click on the move split and down arrow, if I press, that node will be get little bit reduced, and our more spaces will come for our slide. So this is the use of move split, just moving our this thing. And switch window, if I have opened multiple files, Excel files, so if I click on the Control N, and if we click on this view and switch window, these two files, if I have open, as of now 2 files are open, I can see both of them. If I click on again, I created one more file, Control N, and if I go to the switch window, I can see all this. So any of them, if I click, I will be go on the jump to the right. If I click on this, I got on my main PPT. If I want to reduce by this one also, I can reduce the size of note. So we have covered all these 5 topics, and that's all for this video. Hope you have enjoyed this, and we will be continuing our this discussion in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.